Welcome to HomeManager. Today we're going to show you how to quickly access our site. Alright, so we're going to show you how to bookmark something on Google Chrome. Come up here and hit this star. Make sure it's titled what you want it to be. Hit done. And now open a new tab and you can see it's right there under the URL bar. And then alternatively you can add a shortcut. Just come in here and copy the URL. And then click add shortcut. And then type in what you want that to be called. We're just going to call it homeboard. Paste in that link and then hit done, and you can also access it there. Anytime you open a new tab, open a new browser. So for iPhones, you're going to have to use Safari, and what you're going to do is go down to the bottom, tap the box with the arrow coming out, and scroll down and hit add to home screen, and then just name it whatever you would like. We're doing HomeManager. Hit add, and then it's there on your home screen for you. For Androids, go to Google Chrome and make your way to the home board. And then hit the three dots in the top right of your browser and select Add to Home Screen. Again, title it whatever you would like. We're doing HomeManager. And tap Add, and then Add again. And now that shortcut has been added to your home screen, and it'll take you straight to HomeManager. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us. See ya!